Good morning, students, and welcome to your SST class. I hope all of you fit and healthy at your home with your family, and hope you all of you read the chapter 1, Our Country India. This was your homework. Okay, I'm introduce your chapter yesterday. I hope all of you read this chapter very carefully and all things are understand. Today I will explain you this chapter. In SST subject, one more thing. All of you make interleaf copy for your copy work. Okay. Then open your books. Page number 6. Chapter name is your chapter 1. Our country. Our country India. This is your chapter. Okay. Which page number? Page number 6. Okay. This is the map of our country. Look at here. Everyone. Look at here. And all of you see this map very carefully. In different colors. There are showing now the different states. Okay. How many states in our country? There are in our country 28 states and 8 union territories at the present time. How many states? 28 states and union territories. Union territories is 8 union territories. Okay? Understand? The states are governed by the chief minister to particular state. For example, we live in a Uttar Pradesh, and who is the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh at the current time? Mr. Yogi Adityanath. And the union territories are governed by the central government. And who is the head of the central government at the present time? Tell me anyone. Our prime minister name, tell me. Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay. I hope all things are clear now. What is the difference between the state and what is the union territories? Our country, you know student, our country is a very big country. And how our country governed? Because it is a very big country. That's why we need to different states and some union territories for better administration. Okay, why we need now? Because for better administration we need for different states and different union territories for better administration. What is the features of our country? First of all, look at here. First I tell you the direction. This is the north direction, this is the south direction. Your right hand side, this is the east direction, and your left hand side, this is the west direction. Look at here. This is your book. Look. Your map. This is the map of our country. All of you see this map. This is the top part of our map. Here. And this is the bottom of our map. This is the bottom. The top part, it is a Jammu and Kashmir. In which direction? North direction. And to Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, it is in south direction. And its length is 3,200 kilometer. Understand? Okay. Then what is the breadth of our country? The breadth, look at here. in west direction is here. It is a Gujarat, and in the east direction it is a Arunachal Pradesh. It is a Arunachal Pradesh. The breadth of our country is 2,900 kilometer around. Okay, look at here. How many states? I mention over here. How many? 28 union territories. Union territories. Union territories. This is 8. Okay. What is the length of our country? The length is 3,200 kilometer. Okay. And this length is Jammu and Kashmir in north to Kanyakumari in south. Okay. And what is the breadth? Breadth of our country 2,900 kilometer. West direction it is Gujarat to in east direction Arunachal Pradesh. This is the most important point of our country. How many states in our country? 28 states in our country. How many union territories? There are, at the present time, there is 8 union territories in our country. Since 26 January 2020, India has 8 union territories. The union territory Daman and Diu and Dadar Nagar Haveli have become a single union territory. Okay, it means before 26th January 2020 that was 9, but at the current time presently it is 8 union territory. Okay, I hope all of you are understand now. And what is the length of our country? Top to bottom it is 3,200 kilometer, and west to east it is 2,900 kilometer. In our country there are different states, so there are different peoples live. Their cultures are different, their languages are different, their rituals are different, but they are united. All peoples are Indians and they celebrate their festivals together. They live together. Okay, and our country is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, 7th largest, and first is Russia. And this is the homework. Tell me the some other kind, which one is second, third, fourth, fifth. This is your homework. You search out. Okay. And look at here. Our map. Where is the Himalayan mountain? Himalayan mountain in the north direction. Look at here. This part is the Himalayan mountain. In the next chapter, I think that time I am explain you. And this Himalayan mountain in the north of our country, and it's shaped like a crown. This is the shape of crown now. So the Himalayan region, this type of, in north direction to east direction. It means this shape is a crown shape. It is the mountain region in our country. Okay. And the Himalayan mountain, it is a crown in shape. Okay. And the Tropic of Cancer passes throughout the middle of our country. Look at here, in the middle of our country. The Tropic of Cancer. It is pass out throughout middle of our country. Okay. Understand, this line is show is Tropic of Cancer. Okay. The southern part. The directions are here. Top is north, bottom is south, it is east, it is west. The top direction, it is south direction, and this southern part of our country, it is peninsula. Peninsula, and its shape is like a cone. Like a cone, this type of. This shape is like a cone, and it is a peninsula. Okay. And this part is surrounded. This part is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal. Is here Bay of Bengal. Okay. And here is Indian Ocean in the bottom. Indian Ocean. And in the west direction is here Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. It means this peninsular part of our country is surrounded by the three water bodies: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Okay. Arabian Sea is situated in west direction. Bay of Bengal, it is situated in east direction, and Indian Ocean, it is in south direction. The southernmost tip of our country, it is Indira Point in the Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island, it is in east direction, and it is the last point. This is called Indira Point, and it is Indira Point is situated in Andaman Nicobar Island. The next topic is neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India. First, look at here everyone in your map. Neighboring countries of our country in India. India is located in the world map. This is the world map. This is the India. And India is located South Asia. Okay, it means in Asia and its south direction. South Asia, and its neighboring countries are Afghanistan and Pakistan. It is in northwest direction. China, Bhutan, and this is Nepal in the north direction, upward direction. Then Myanmar and Bangladesh in east direction. Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south direction. It means these are the neighboring countries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives are these are the neighboring countries of India. Then move to the next point. The next point is physical features. Physical features of our country. Physical features of our country. Physical features of our country. First is physical sphere in North Mountain or Himalayan region. First is the Himalayan region. First is a Himalayan region. Then Second is northern plains. Northern plains. Third is the Great Indian Desert. Then next fourth is Southern Plateau, the Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau. Then next is coastal region and the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. These are the physical features in our country. In next class, we will discuss this topic, the physical features of our country. In short, because in all topics there are particular chapters, but I tell you in short in next class. Till then, have a nice day, beta, and till then have a nice day, and we will meet in next class, then complete this topic, the physical features of our country. Have a nice day.